Hey philosophers, welcome back to Ancient Wisdom Modern Life. Today we're diving into something that can completely transform your life, the Stoic morning routine. But this isn't just another morning routine video. What if I told you that some of the most powerful people in history, from Marcus Aurelius to modern CEOs, start their day with these exact practices? Stay until the end to discover how these 15 Stoic morning habits can make you mentally unshakable. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to join our community of modern philosophers. Let's dive in. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I am rising to do the work of a human being. Show peaceful, dark room lighting up. Rising early isn't about torture. It's about conquering your first challenge of the day. Take 2 minutes to remember your mortality. Sounds dark? Actually, it's liberating. When you acknowledge that each day could be your last, you approach it with purpose and gratitude. Show hourglass visual. Grab your journal and write down 3 things. What you're grateful for, what you can improve, what challenges you might face today. Show journaling scene with these points appearing on screen. Show someone splashing cold water on their face. Whether it's a cold shower or just washing your face with cold water, this practice builds resilience and mental toughness. As Seneca said, a gem cannot be polished without friction. Spend 5 minutes in complete silence. No phone, no distractions. Just you and your thoughts. This is where clarity begins. Show peaceful meditation scene. The Stoics believed in strengthening both mind and body. Do some basic exercises or stretches. Nothing extreme, just enough to wake up your body. Show simple stretching routine. Imagine losing something you value, your health, relationships, or possessions. This practice helps you appreciate what you have and prepares you for adversity. Take 5 minutes to read from meditations, letters from a Stoic, or any philosophical text. Let ancient wisdom guide your modern day. Show books and quotes appearing on screen. Break down your day into must-do tasks and preferred outcomes. Remember Epictetus. First say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do. List what's in your control today and what isn't. This simple practice will save you hours of needless worry. Show split-screen visualization. Connect with the natural world. Observe without judgment. Let nature remind you of your place in the grand scheme. Show peaceful walking scenes. Skip breakfast, take that cold shower, or do something slightly uncomfortable. Build your resilience muscle early. Choose one virtue to focus on today. Courage, wisdom, justice, temperance. Make it your North Star. Show compass pointing to virtues. Visualize potential challenges and your ideal responses. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters. End your morning routine with the Stoic prayer. Grant me the serenity to accept what I cannot change, courage to change what I can, and wisdom to know the difference. Remember, you don't need to implement all 15 practices at once. Start with 1 or 2 that resonate most with you. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. If you found value in these Stoic practices, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Drop a comment below telling me which practice you're going to try tomorrow morning. Want to dive deeper into Stoic wisdom? Check out our playlist on ancient philosophy for modern life, linked in the description below. Until next time, remember what Marcus Aurelius said. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love.